Hi everyone, I'm Gemma from Preston Bakery in York. Thanks very much for watching today. I'm excited to talk to you about a new property. I'm currently standing on Hazel Garth, which is in a really desired location just off Stockton Lane. It's a 3-bedroom semi-detached dormer bungalow. The current owners bought the property just shy of 2 years ago and the transformation is incredible. Not only have they completely renovated the insides, they've also extended the property to create some further fantastic living accommodation. The owners have also added on this beautiful porch which ties in really well to the original building, and it's great storage for shoes and coats. So as we enter into the property, you come through into open plan living accommodation. It's really light and airy in here. You have a beautiful bay window to the front, and this leads all the way through into the fantastic kitchen dining area. The property benefits from underfloor heating all the way through from the lounge into the kitchen diner, and the kitchen also benefits a very attractive looking log burning stove. It's a really high-end modern kitchen. The property benefits from a double oven and an electric hob. I especially love the splashback, which adds that pop of colour to the kitchen. There's plenty of storage, and there's also additional storage just under the sink if you want to add additional appliances such as a dishwasher. Leading out into the garden, you have a beautifully presented bifolding doors, perfect for on those summer evenings if you want to create more open space into the garden. I'm sure you'll agree that the garden has been finished to an impeccable standard. The majority of it has been landscaped. You've also had the addition of some wonderful flower beds. There's a fantastic seating area just to the front of me, panelling all the way around and access into the garage. So downstairs we have bedroom 3, but depending on the buyer, you can use this space for whatever you desire, whether that be a bedroom or an office or just extra living space. The room also houses the boiler, which is a Worcester combi style. Again, beautifully finished throughout, brand new carpets and windows to the front. So we're now on the first floor. This is the extended part of the property. So we have here 2 double bedrooms and a family bathroom. Again, the renovation is impeccable. The level of finish upstairs is amazing. I can't wait to show you through to the rest, but you can see we have beautifully fitted doors, again, brand new windows, new carpets. It's really, really light and spacious upstairs. So I'm currently standing in the 2nd bedroom. Now both rooms upstairs are a very, very similar size, and both also have the addition of eave storage. So the family bathroom has been beautifully fitted. It has again a range of appliances such as a beautiful wall-mounted towel holder. You have your shower over the bath, beautiful tiling throughout, and again underfloor heating. As we approach the top floor, we also have the benefit of an added Velux window, which adds again plenty of light to the property. So as I said at the beginning, the area itself is really, really desired. Everything is on the doorstep here, from local schools if you're a family buyer. You also have the addition of the Monks Cross and Vanguard shopping centre, just a short 5 to 10 minute drive away. There's plenty of bus routes here that takes you through into the city centre and out onto the major road links. Thanks very much for watching today. To arrange a viewing, please contact the York branch.